What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy and you are watching Kicking It!
If you've been watching this series, then thanks for following along. And if you're new here, this is what's been happening. We've renovated a bus in just under 6 weeks. Her name is Custard and she is a beast. Now that we have our own cosy home on wheels, we decided to plan the most amazing road trip through Europe, starting with France.
After hopping on the Eurotunnel, we have seen some gorgeous spots all over this country, and France has truly been spectacular. But this next few stops, we're about to blow our chops off.
Stop the France, baby!
Trolling.
Why are we here?
Waking up in a brand new place with a full day's exploring ahead is our favourite thing. Sleeping in Custard has been so lush. She's actually the best thing in the world. And when we leave her, it's legit like leaving a child. We have got all the appreciation in the world for her right now. She has taken us so far and we're just having the best time of our lives.
Breakfast for the boys.
You're welcome.
Cheers, babes. Top spot this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great until you kick me out of bed. I'm so tired. I did a half marathon last night, Craig.
Yes, I have got platforms on, and yes, it is 3.2 kilometres.
No!
This is what I gotta live with every day.
So today, we're going somewhere very special. I believe that this is going to be the highlight of our trip.
It's a big claim, that is. We've seen some epic stuff already.
What is it?
Marseille, Nacho Seal, it's Marseille. Marseille, you nutter.
For forever, because I helped with the itinerary with Eurotunnel. I was like, so then we're going to Marseille, and Craig's like, where? And I'm like, Marseille. He's like, Marseille. I'm like, if you want.
She's been saying it ever since.
I might become an ambassador of Marseille. Well, I've got some, what's that called?
Don't worry about it, babes, it's too early for you. Making our way through the incredible roads of the Dordogne, we were in for an absolute winner of a day. That is insane!
That colour is mental.
That looks so epic. I cannot wait to get in there for a swim. Oh, hey, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
That is wild.
Wow, the colour is insane.
The plan today is to take a boat out on this gorgeous river that we've just driven past. So we've parked up in a little parking spot. And we're making a little picnic, we are, for the boat, so we don't get hungry when we're out swimming and stuff. So, Chef Ramsay's on here. What are we having?
We are having soya meat, like kebab stuff in a wrap with rice, and we're having these weird tofu sausages. They smell lovely, but can never really know if you're going to get a good bit of tofu, you know? It's a bit dodgy sometimes.
Alright, we're packed up, we're out and about. Now we need to find a boat.
Let's do this, Holmes.
Your little summer outfit, babes.
I know.
Brought your little European hat.
I did.
You're so cultured, aren't you?
I am. So we found some pedlos, which is great. Didn't have to go far. Everything lines the shore of the gorge de Verdon. So we walked for about 5 minutes, and we have to queue up. So basically, you can't reserve them. And everybody's out on them, so there's a little bit of a queue, and you just have to wait until they bring them back in and then have your go. I guess you can just pick how long you want to go out for, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just bring it back, and it looks mad though. It's so cool because you don't have to be on the boats. The boats are obviously really cool to go and see the whole gorge, but just look at that, like really pretty stuff.
I leave her for 5 minutes and she brings us back. We're about to rent a pedalo. What's wrong with you?
Well, you know, I'm a sharer, not a fighter, so I thought I'd get one for both of us instead of just one. Also, let's take a look at these. Yeah, but we can both get in it, do you know what I mean? London Fashion Week's going to see us coming, Craig. Look at these bad boys.
Crikey.
So they're going to, we forgot our hot tunas, so these will do instead. So we've got to the front of the queue, flapping a little bit. So we've rented our boat, our pedalo, for 3 hours. We're number 24 and it was 55 euros. Wow. Holiday! Celebrate! Absolutely sensational.
This is a piece of magic, mate.
I was just saying, like, how excited I get when we find new places that I love, because when we've got more time we can come back here with like a bunch of friends and just grab one of these. Like, it's next door to home, it's really not that far away at all, and I just didn't know things like this existed in France. I'm amazed, Craig, and I'm really happy we found it and we can tell people to come. Like, if you've got a couple of days here or there and you're looking for somewhere really cool to come, this is your place.
Alright, so you've had your packed lunch, we've paddled the whole gorge.
Yeah.
Now I dare you to jump in. If you don't jump in, you have to do all the dishes.
Right.
Just because that's the day.
Zazu.
That's the day.
Holiday, friend. It is cold though.
Go on, I dare you. If you jump in, I'll do the dishes.
Well though, Craig, you do a really rubbish job sometimes.
If you jump in,
have hot water in there from the kettle.
If you jump in, I'll do the dishes as well as I can.
I don't wear my little headscarf because I have a bad hair day or anything. I just like the colours. It's not even salty, it's like lovely, like lake water. Oh, this is a day to remember, Craig.
I got a new bet. If I jump in, then I don't have to do the dishes. 1, 2, 3, go!
I thought he was coming to attack you then.
Class day, people. Truly a spectacular place. But our road trip waits for no one. On to the next destination. Monaco, here we come.
We arrived so late and slept on the top of a mountain that we couldn't actually see the view that we were in store for. The next morning, I woke up for the sunrise of a lifetime. Sometimes you just gotta get up early. Bonjour, Monaco.
As the world woke up, we headed down the mountain for a morning swim.
So we found the perfect parking spot, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we've driven into town. We're on the beach, mate. You might actually get some use out of that bloody floating device you bought.
I'm taking it, Craig. It's happening this morning. And then we're going to get a massive, massive, massive coffee somewhere.
Always does it in style, this one. Look at those shoes.
No one's got a rubber ring in there right now.
Do you think it's illegal?
It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. What do you think we're doing?
Welcome to Monaco!
We're going swimming because it's the only thing that we can afford.
Stereo ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
It's not too bad, this actually, Aim. Probably worth the 19 euros you spent on it.
I knew you'd come round. So, fact of the day, and this is an early fact, we're actually winning today, Craig. Monaco has the most amount of millionaires in one spot. So 1 in 3 people that live in Monaco are millionaires. How cool is that?
And also, we're future millionaires, so we fit
Yeah.
right in, don't we?
You see the cranes up there? Doing a bit of work? I should get a bit of work done on my mansion. Just past there, that red one, that's mine.
So nice. Custard, I could just see Custard from here. And we're just chilling in the sea in Monaco.
It's lovely. This early in the morning, it's so quiet and peaceful, and you're just waking up a bit, and you've got the best lilo to sit on with and stare into your boyfriend's eyes because he's truly romantic. Isn't that right, Craig?
Of course I am.
Morning from Monaco with myself and Cristiano Ronaldo.
What? I have done my hair today though, you know.
You look the part today, Craig. I've got like really rubbish Vans on that are dirty that I wore canyoning the other day, so don't really feel like I fit into the posh sort of flamboyant lifestyle that they have here in Monaco.
You do look pretty Monaco with your hat.
With the hat does it. Yeah. Felt a bit blonde today, felt happy, felt energised, thought let's go for a platinum number.
So we're actually out on the scooters today, obviously, the best way to see the city.
Yes.
And we're heading to a little cafe in Monte Carlo.
It is a very special cafe and very well known and popular. A bit like that.
Why are we here?
The casino is by there.
What did you just say? It's a...
So it's a focal attraction of Monte Carlo. Is that wrong?
This sounds really funny. Saying like in Nan would say, it's a focal attraction of Monte Carlo.
It's because I haven't eaten yet. We need to find. It's here somewhere. I can smell it.
It's right in front of you. Pulling up to a posh cafe on our scooters, like a pair of kids. Well, let's park outside. It's fine. We'll just park around the corner. We don't want to embarrass you, you know. Imagine they don't let us in now because you're not posh enough.
Maybe I should have worn some better shoes or something. I don't know. I'm feeling judged right now, Craig. I'm feeling judged. A bottle of Coke's £8, so we're just going to go. Because you have to treat yourself sometimes, don't you?
When you say treat yourself, we're getting 2 black coffees.
Getting 2 black coffees and one croissant to share. And it's £56. No, it's not that much money. But you turn the first page. First cocktail, €22. Pricey, Craig, but we are in front of the casino, Monaco.
So supposedly this is one of South France's royal hotspots. Come here for a rendezvous or a £6 coffee, whatever you like.
One croissant, €5.
Good though, it is good.
You're gonna have to get a paper round.
20p a sip, that is. Dream on, kid.
You have £9,000 for a pair of pants. Prada is your shop.
Mad place this, isn't it?
It's glorious.
We were just sat here and a car drove past and I was like, Aim, how much do you reckon that car costs? She said 160 grand. £1 million McLaren just drove past.
1 million, that's, I can't comprehend that. That's incredible.
And we're here with our little £5 bowl of food.
Is it £5, is it?
It's probably not, it's probably about £65. There's a vegan spot in the middle of the city called Eat Me, and they do like these Buddha bowls which are amazing.
Buddha?
Is that what they're called?
Buddha?
Buddha bowl, same thing isn't it? It's reasonably cheap as well, 45 quid. We stuffed our faces, now it's time to check out the casino. Should we do a bit of gambling? Should we put 100 grand on black?
Sure, Craig. Guess we ain't going in there then.
No trainers, no shorts, no t-shirts. Who's coming out in this heat in a suit to go to the casino? Surely you could go in there with a pair of shorts on.
Not today, honey. I've actually got shares in the Monte Carlo casino, so come with me. Alright, they said no. My membership must have run out or something, Craig, I'm not sure.
Did you know that Monaco is a sovereign city-state, a micro-state, and its own country?
What's a sovereign state?
No idea.
But it's its own country.
This is its own country. It's the second smallest country in the world.
Really?
The only one smaller is the Vatican. Did you know that? Free swimming pool by there. Look at that.
Just scooting along, minding our own business, and kapow! To the face is a massive pool. Look at that though, how glorious does that look? My wig legitimately fell off there. I mean, I love a good city day because there's loads of shopping and things, but not that we walk much because we did have the scooters, but it gets hot, it gets really hot. So we found ourselves back at the beach for a last minute swim before we head off to drive through Italy.
And that is France, complete. What an incredible country for road tripping. These are some of the highlights of our visit to France.
In no particular order, Bordeaux. And not because of the wine tour.
I'm not leaving this place if I'm not half schnozzled, Craig. Spit bucket, won't need that.
The Dordogne.
Today's been a scorcher, lads.
The gorge de Verdon.
My seal, not your seal.
And Mont Saint Michel. Next time on Kingin' It, we explore a brand new country. A country we have dreamed of exploring for years.
And that country's name, you ask?
Switzerland! I'm just gonna sit here and eat this ice cream, Craig. You're doing a marvellous job.
3, 2, 1.
My goodness, Craig, you are such a spoiled girl.
We always knew this place was stunning, but lads, wait until we show you some of these dreamlike places. Muna muna mad scenes.
Oh my god, this is terrifying. It's so high. Is that a joke?
Switzerland is an absolute joke, mate.